Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your savings accounts with Capital One step by step clearly. To reset your savings accounts with Capital One, start by visiting the Capital One website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section. Select the savings account you wish to reset. Look for the Account Settings option, usually found in the Account Overview. Click on Account Settings to access the management features. Locate the Reset Account option within the Settings menu. Review the information provided regarding the reset process. If you are ready to proceed, click on the Reset Account button. You may be prompted to confirm your identity through security questions or a verification code. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the identity verification. After successfully confirming your identity, review the changes that will occur after the reset. Confirm that you want to proceed with the reset by clicking Confirm or Submit. Wait for a notification indicating that your savings account has been reset. Check your email for any confirmation regarding the reset process. Log back into your account to verify that the changes have taken effect. Ensure that any automatic transactions or payments are correctly set up post-reset. If necessary, adjust your savings goals or preferences according to your new settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.